Hey, I'm Josh with Rainy Day Restoration, and just wanted to take a minute to encourage you to have your roof checked out. A lot of people don't think about the roof. They think that everything's great, and we tend to focus on what's going on inside the house. And so it's kind of out of sight, out of mind. But we recommend having a qualified contractor come out at least once a year and take a look at the roof. Most homeowners don't even have a ladder, so it's a great excuse to just give us a call. We'll come out, take a look at it, see if you've got any potential water issues, nail pops, shingles that might be missing, flashings that are lifted up or loose, shingles that are missing, caulking that's cracked, or even hail damage. And we can take a look at that, work up an estimate if you need it. But either way, we'll give you photos of it so you can see for yourself what's going on with your roof. But we recommend doing that just to make sure that your roof is ready for the storms that can pop up any time of year. And if that's something that appeals to you, give us a call at Rainy Day and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know if there's anything we can do to help you out. Have a great day.